I'm making the blue ribbon weave quilt from Missouri Star. And the only thing different I'm doing from their video is I'm making my quarter square triangles differently. I'm starting off by making the 4 at a time half square triangles. And then I will turn the half square triangles into quarter square triangles. Also in the video, when Jenny Doan made her quarter square triangles, I can't talk. She didn't use all of the quarter square triangles, so I didn't really want to waste my fabric, so that's why I'm doing the 4 at a time half square triangles. Let's see, we're gonna put them right sides together, and we're gonna stitch a 1/4 inch on all the sides. I forgot to say that these that I cut are 4 6/8 of your print fabric and your background fabric. And now I'm going to cut these twice on the diagonal from this stitch, the corner of this stitch, from here to here and here to here. And this is roughly 3 inches. So you take the same fabric, the print fabric, and I'm going to draw a line. But first, let me press it first. Let me press it first. I swear, when I make these videos, I cannot talk right. Okay. Flip your half square triangle over. And draw a line from corner to corner. And we're going to stitch. Well, first, we're going to first match your purple and your purple, right sides together. And then we're going to stitch a 1/4 inch on both sides. She didn't do that in her video, so I'm trying to save fabric, so I'll get 2 of them. And I'm just going to cut on the the line that I drew. I don't know if you can see it, but I drew a line from the 2.5 inch mark from here and the 2.5 inch mark from here, and I drew a line using the red Sharpie. And I'm going to use this line to line up on my seam, my stitching line, so I can square it to 2.5 inches. And also, what's this? On the 45-degree angle line, I'm going to make sure I have that line lined up against this stitching line. Then it's just, I'm trying to make sure that I don't wipe off my line with my fingers. And you just cut off just a little bit. And then what I do, I just cut a little bit of the corners off. And here is my 2.5 inch quarter square triangle. Let me press it right quick. Oh, my iron is off. Anyway, here you go. And these are 2.5 by 4.5. Did that do something wrong? Hold on, let me fix it. So with these, I'm going to stitch these two together. Oh, what about the center? Okay, I'm going to have to do a partial seam with the center. I need to think about the center. So that. So these together, these, and these. Then the partial seam around the center. I don't know about the partial seam because I want to sew these blocks on my serger. That's what the back look like. Just have one twist. The one I did on the Serger is slightly bigger than the one I did on the sewing machine. But that's probably because I was pressing this one as I went along, and I did not press this one when I was sewing it. And from the partial seam. But on this one, you can't see anything. But I think I'm going to do it on the Serger. Oh, and this is the back. My original plan was to add a 2-inch border around the block, and then I was going to set it on point. But then I figured it would be easier to just add these triangles, like how you do a square and a square block. So I just need to trim it down.